Good day. My name is Dana Johnson. I'm the Community Development Director with Cobb County Government, and we are here today to go over the code amendments which will be considered by the Board of Commissioners in September and October of 2016. The first item deals with our vending ordinance, and in this particular change, we are ensuring that the language in the violation section of the ordinance is aligning with the state legislation as it relates towards misdemeanors in magistrate court. This change is happening because any citation that is issued for someone who is violating any aspect of the Cobb County Code, that is mostly a misdemeanor case, which is something that moves forward through our magistrate court. The second revision and the largest revision contained in this document deals with the Accessory Special Event Parking Ordinance. A few months ago, the Board of Commissioners placed a moratorium on this particular code and asked staff to rework it and bring it back before the end of the year. And these are the revisions that we brought forward. The revisions to this code, the purpose of it is to ensure that people who are parking their vehicles around special events in Cobb County can be ensured that their personal safety and their property will be safe while they are attending whatever special event that they are intending to go to. We're ensuring this by making sure that any type of transportation plan, pedestrian plans, and attendance for each individual lot will be in place so that we can align the parking of vehicles with these various efforts to ensure that pedestrians are safe, that motorists are safe, and that when people go to the special event, their personal property will be safe. Another important note about the Accessory Special Event Parking Ordinance is there was a little bit of concern as it related to some of the language in the previous version of this, dealing with exclusionary zones or half-mile buffers off of different special events. And one of the things that we've done in this is remove that half-mile buffer so that all people providing parking, accessory parking, would be treated equally under this particular law. The final alteration that's in this particular code amendment package deals with our sign fees. This is in our sign ordinance, which is in the zoning code. Our effort on this is to revise the sign fees to make it easier for our customers in order to be clear about the permit structure for obtaining these permits. The previous language that we're recommending removal deals with sign fees on a percentage basis of the total sign cost, and that can become confusing as far as knowing what your sign cost is going to be. So we've reworked it to base the sign fee based on the size of the sign. So, for instance, if you have a size of a sign from 0 to 50 square feet, that would be a $50 sign fee. If you have a sign size that varies between 51 and 100 square feet, that would be a $100 fee. This is important for our customers because you'll have more certainty about what your fee is going to be before even coming into the office in order to pay it, rather than waiting till you get to the desk and trying to obtain your permit in order to find out and determine what the final fee cost will be. So we think this will be an improvement, and we think our customers will appreciate the clarity. So with that, thank you very much, and we appreciate you listening to this. A couple notes about when these public hearings will be. For all of the code changes, the code changes in Section 78 as well as the code sections in Section 134, they'll have public hearings with the Board of Commissioners on September the 27th at 7 o'clock p.m. The second and final public hearing will be on October 25th at 7 o'clock p.m. The Planning Commission makes recommendations to code changes in Section 134, so they will hold the public hearing and have a recommendation on the changes to the sign fees on October the 4th at 9 o'clock a.m. Thank you very much. We appreciate your time, and please come let us know if you have any comments about these particular changes. Have a good day.